Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. In the video, வேற level crazy இருக்கும் போது guys, because today we are installing a proper Royal Enfield GOLDSTAR reverse cone silencer. This one right here, this Chennai quality big one on the Ford Ikon. Yep, this is really quite heavy as well. Many of you would have seen people install a car silencer on a bike, but nobody's ever installed a bike silencer on a car. Unlike other channels where they just keep it on top of the exhaust and balance it and call that an installation, oh no, we don't do clickbait stuff on JRS cars. We will be actually cutting off my exhaust and installing this GOLDSTAR silencer to see what happens. I mean, whoever thought a Royal Enfield exhaust on a car would do something? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out in today's video. Before we get started, do give the video a like, as this helps to improve the video ranking, and take a second to subscribe also, because well, that motivates me to make more such crazy content for all of you watching right now. Done? Alright, with that, let's get Alright guys, so now that you know that this is not a clickbait video and that I've actually installed a Royal Enfield bike muffler on the car, let's now do the customary sound check before and after to see the difference. And so guys, that's the feeling of having a Royal Enfield exhaust on the Ford Ikon. Man oh man, it sounds absolutely amazing. And who would have thought a bike exhaust would make a car sound this good? And I think you guys would have already seen, there's enough of proof of it over there. Taking a look underneath the car, well, we can clearly see that this exhaust is all that's on there. We can take a look over here and yeah, that's my reverse cone silencer right over there. So guys, if you want the most budget-friendly solution on making your car sound like a Lamborghini, I mean, it doesn't sound like a Lamborghini, but at least it sounds really spectacularly loud. So how much did all this cost? Well, I found the muffler online. It's a GOLDSTAR reverse cone Royal Enfield silencer, and I'll put a pics over here. This was the picture of the vehicle. I mean, this was how the exhaust was on OLX, and I ended up buying it for 1,100 rupees. And as you just saw, I got it fixed at the shop in Mother of Oil for around 1,800. So all in, I'm just under 3,000 rupees. And making the car sound this loud and well, this good for less than 3,000 rupees. And that's something, well, you just can't go wrong with. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and take a second to subscribe also. Let me know in the comment section what type of videos you want me to make with this car and this exhaust setup. I mean, obviously performance test, sound checks, mileage obviously. Any other crazy ideas you have, let me know in the comment section below. And well, if it's not too crazy, I'll try making a video on it. From the outside, it doesn't look like a modified exhaust. And on that bombshell, I'll see you in the next video really soon. Take care, bye bye, drive safe.